Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 11. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off, until it turns on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can let go. Continue to hold. As you can see, your phone's turned off. It's turning back on now. You can let go. It should be a hand model. And there you guys go. Your phone has been hard reset. And make sure you drop a like and subscribe.